Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'll be showing you how I lost $266 trading the S&P, and it's more likely to be around $2,000 actually, because as you can see right here, this was the trade that I took and it played out in my favor. So I stream every day, Monday through Friday at 8:15 Central Time. If you want to pop out on my Kick, the link will be in the description. If you also want free coaching calls, that is also going to be linked in the description as well. Every Sunday, we go through the market of what happens during the market, the previous week, and then also next week, we go through news, we go through people's psychology, what they need help with, all for free. Link in the description as well. So today I'll be showing you why I entered the trade, how I entered the trade, you know, the who, what, when, how, why, basically. So the first reason of why I didn't trade on the NASDAQ was because NASDAQ swept this low right here, causing an SMT, as you will see on ES. And ES was not the lagging index. So I wanted to trade ES because, first of all, there was a 1 hour inverse fair value gap that needed to get hit. It's a bearish one as well. And then there was also this 5-minute bearish fair value gap a little bit higher that was quite large right here. So what I wanted to happen was for us to sweep lows, which we did on NASDAQ, and I wanted us to sweep the hourly. My original thoughts was to hit the hourly and then reverse, but we swept the hourly, and then we hit the 5-minute bearish fair value gap, and we started coming back down. And here is where I took this trade. So there was this 5-minute bearish, 5-minute fair value gap right here. Bullish fair value gap, and at this candle close, we closed below it. Now, the reason why I didn't enter exactly at that time was because I wasn't fully convinced that we were gonna, like, not just reverse instantly out of there. And basically I figured we were gonna reverse because of how strong buy side was when market opened. And I was correct, but I was correct in not the right way. I put my stops right above this last high that was created. In reality, I should have put it at this high, or even where I had it originally, which was the equilibrium of this order block or breaker block right here. I had at equilibrium. I should have had it at least this high or this high right here, and I didn't. So I got stopped out by, let's see how many ticks it was, 1.5 or 6 ticks. So with that happening, I basically was like, all right, like we're gonna continue going up. And as soon as we hit that, we reversed. And as you can see by what happened on the chart, we came all the way down and we swept both sell side areas of liquidity, or the SMT that was made on both charts. Now I say that I lost $2,000 because I will show you exactly how I lost $2,000. I lost $266 on the trade, and I also lost $1,600 that I could have made. So really shitty. I could have made a lot of money, but I was super tight with my stop loss and I got stopped out. So honestly, next time, have my stops either at the top of an order block or breaker block, or even past it. And also for me personally in the future is to allow myself to risk a little bit more when I'm fully convinced that the move is going to happen, because I knew we were going to come back down after tapping an hourly bullish fair value gap and also a 5-minute bearish gap as well. So just allowing myself a little bit more leeway with my stop loss, and then also being confident in the move. I really like this trade. It sucks that I was stopped out, but the confidence going into this trade was really, really key, and I was very confident. So this trading setup right here was an A+ for me because I had all of my confidence that I needed, except my stop loss was very So be it as it may, lost $1,600, lost $226 on the P&L. It doesn't matter. We have the next day. We have Powell speaking tomorrow. We have Powell speaking the next day as well, which is, it's gonna suck, but I think what'll happen is he'll pump volatility in the market, and then it'll kind of just do its own thing. Market will go to the confluence that it needs to take out, either London highs or London lows, and then we'll go from there. So I would say I lost money, but it was decent enough for me. My trade was there. It's just a loss. We'll take it. We move on. But yeah, again, if you want to see me trade live, I'm live on Kick every day, Monday through Friday, 8:15 Central Time. And if you want free trading, free coaching every Sunday and implementing more days throughout the week, coming here soon, that link will be in the description as well. Blah, blah, blah. God, I'm freaking tired. Man, I'm so tired. Oh, all right. That's basically it. I love and appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching the video. And yeah, I will see you in the next time where I take a trade. So with that, I love and appreciate you guys. Peace out.